course.
I was too intimidated to ask.
Do I look intimidating?
Let me
Soy
see.
grandote, feo, pero.
Take us a picture.
How you doing?
Good.
What is your name?
Rosie.
I'm hanging out with Rosie today. Where are you from, Rosie?
San Diego.
San Diego. Thanks for listening to my radio show.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
Yes.
You're
I
so
love the
beautiful. I love
music.
it. Thank you.
I went
Nice
to
to meet
the Chula Vista one.
Oh, my
and
car show?
I was enjoying your mom, and then you announced it was your mother, and I didn't even know.
Yeah, my mom.
She's
She can't
awesome.
stop dancing.
Oh, yeah. She's
awesome.
almost 90 years old.
Yeah.
¿Tú crees? I'm like,
I'm 60, so I hope I'm like her.
oh, you're going to be just like her.
Thank you.
All right, take care. Thank
right,
you so
take
much.
it.
I appreciate you guys. Thank you.
X-Man, love it.
You want to buy it? Because it's for sale.
Oh, well,
All right, there it is. And there they are. Oh my God, why am I with these dudes? Look at that one right there. All right, ready to go. City Car Club's annual October's Best Sequan Casino Resort. Here he is again, de Tijuana, puro Tijuana. Míralo, los hermanos de Tijuana. Hey, where's the banda? ¿Dónde está la banda? Look at this car. Woo, this is a beauty. This is a beauty. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh.
What's that vacuum for? It's for the heater.
You got no heater in here.
Yeah, it's got a heater.
Where's the heater?
It's right there. Hey, so I was on my way to your show with this car.
And
And this shit and brakes.
Oh
went
yes,
out.
I remember you told me. Dude, it's a beautiful car.
Brakes went out on it. You're welcome.
Look at this thing. Oh my God.
Yeah, you get a lot of people looking at it. Yeah. Those are, they're the Electra. 59 Electra.
I want this car, dude. Who has a car like this? Who has a car like this? All right, tell me about your car. Tell me year, make, model.
It's a 1959 Buick Invicta. Rag top. You know, got the fins like all the 59s do.
Where did you get it at?
It came out of Florida. It used to be, it was white with the red interior. White with the red interior. And it took me 2 years to do it.
So why this car?
Dude, I think out of the box. When I first bought this car, I paid $50,000 for this car, and it was you know, rough shape. Everybody thought, man, you paid $50,000 for the car, you just threw your money. They all thought I made a mistake. But see, I knew how this car would look laying on the ground.
Dude, it
knew how it
catches
would
my
look.
attention.
Yeah.
Dude, the lines are crazy. It's
crazy.
Why are these sleepers though? Why isn't, you know, people jumping on these? These things are
They
amazing.
are now. They are now. It took me 2 years to find this car.
Now, what about a hardtop? You can find the
They're
hardtops
beautiful.
anywhere?
They look the same. The 59 Impala has the same top. This is the same convertible top that the Impalas have. Cadillac, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Buick, Pontiac, and Impala all have 59. From here on up, it's all the same. You can see how it goes back.
Right, but it's just, but the body lines are different. I mean,
Way-
look at that chrome right there.
Yeah, this got so much chrome. What it does is it starts off here, goes all the way around the top, ends up there. Then the one from the front starts off there, and it goes all the way around the front.
I love that. That's a really cool
The
body
front.
line.
Yeah, look at the front end on it. Look at what the trunk, with the hood down. It's just it's an angry car.
Wow. That's beautiful, man. Congratulations, man. You win in my book. I love it. Oh, you'll bring it next year.
Yeah,
I appreciate it. Thanks for sharing. All right. All right, we got more beautiful lorries. Look at this one. Woo! James, you want this one, James? No?
It's a really nice car.
Look at that thing.
That's beautiful.
There it is. Look at the little chulitos. How you guys doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good show. Good show.
Glad you can make it,
Oh,
brother.
so, yeah, like I said, I would come and
man.
show my
Right.
respect and my love, my appreciation.
Good music today, baby.
Oh, it's a beautiful day, not too hot.
Yeah.
Usually I come out here and I could lose 10 pounds. Not today.
Good turnout.
Congratulations. You too.
Big X, what's happening?
Hey, how you doing? Good to
bless
see
you,
you.
man.
Good to see you out here.
Good to see you. Enjoy
How's
the
everything
weather.
going? Enjoy it. Beautiful day, right?
Beautiful show.
Not too hot. Perfect. It's perfect today.
God bless us.
Yep, he did. Amen.
No, the one that has the most work shit.
What's up, Tiny? How you doing? What's going Hey! I love this car. Look at this car. We took like a prom picture right there. I love it.
How us girls doing?
How you doing, man? Yeah, that one right there. Oh, yes. More beautiful cars out here. Look at this thing. I love this car here. Look at this. Yep. How about this one? SS. Got the SS going on. Tell me about your club. You guys are from Arizona.
Yeah, we're from Arizona. We're from the Yuma, Arizona border with California. Been around car club we're going for 35 years.
Congratulations.
Yeah, we got it's all Arizona. One chapter in Mexico. The rest of the mother chapters out there in Globe, Arizona. I'm from the Yuma County chapter, and decided to come and enjoy the weather and see beautiful cars over here.
All right. Thank you so much for your
Okay,
time. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. There you go.
Okay.
Mi vida, Arizona representing, gente. Look at that. Gracias. I appreciate you. Look at Mi vida from Arizona representing. Shout out to Arizona.
Shout out to 92.5.
Hey! How's it going? Hi there. How you doing? Good to see you.
Sorry.
You shake your hand, right? You doing well?
You're good.
Which car are you taking home with you?
All of them.
There you go. Is there a lot of Rivieras? How you guys doing? Looking good, looking good. Looking low. There they are, there they are. They got water. Oh my God, it's water this time. I can't believe that.
We're staying hydrated.
Hydrated, that's what they call it now. ¿Qué pasó? I didn't do it.
Hydration right here.
Hydration right here. Old friends. What's in the red cup? You know, they made a country song called Red Cup.
Scott medicine.
Oh, okay, there it is.
Caldo.
There you go. Take care. Take care.
I could love you right in a special way. You light my fire. I feel alive with you, baby. You light my
Right there.
What are you gonna do?
Good stuff. Good.
Cheers.
Good, bro. Heck yeah.
Congratulations, man. Tell me about your car. Where'd you get it at? How long you
I
had
got about
it?
4 or 5 years or so. Yeah, I built it it's about 4 or 5 years in the works, but
It's a heavy hitter car, you know that, right? It's a heavy hitter car.
Oh, you couldn't believe that? Don't sound funny though. Good stuff.
It's got great interior. It's got a great stance. The rims, the engine bay is incredible, by the way.
Thank you, sir.
Nicely hit. Beautiful car.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Really looks nice, especially in the sun when you hit it.
Absolutely, yeah. It fires up. It almost wrecks on the inside.
Jerry, he called it. Look at that. That is cool.
On the drums, Richard Moreno. On the bass, guitar, Jack Jopolongo. On the female lead vocals, Nayama Black.
Good to see you, brother. Good show.
Yeah, good show.
What's yours?
What do you have?
Switch. How you doing? Good to see you, brother. Yeah, you been what? Glad you came out. Hey, how you doing? How you feeling today?
It's the X-Men.
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
How are you?
You look beautiful. You guys do. Which car are you taking home? This one?
We take home yours. Yeah, we want yours.
Why is not in here?
Yeah,
There he is. There he is. Let me hear some songs.
It's a beautiful day in San Diego. You already know what it is. Javier the X-Man, baby.
What's up? How you doing?
Yeah, get that on there. San Diego Sig made it for you.
There you go, right there.
I mean, Parker Pass in the mall. Come check it out.
All right, go check it out.
The first and only interchangeable hat logos.
There it is.
I started
right
that
there.
shit.
He started it.
It's
He
interchangeable
started
hat
it.
logo. Check it out. You can take it off, put on any hat you want.
There he is. There he is.
My number one fan.
How you doing?
She
Good to
wants a
see you.
picture of
Where's
you.
she at?
Working.
celebrities in the house. We gotta get the picture with you, man.
Oh my God!
Hello, how you doing, man? This is Francois of the Groove Squad, one of the hottest bands around, kicking with Javier the X, man. We're having a good time at the car show. Hope you guys enjoying yourself. If you're not here, get down here now. The bands are awesome, the cars are awesome. You have an awesome time. One more time, I'm with Javier the X, man. The Groove Squad, peace.
What are they gonna say?
What up, what up, what up, what up?
Somebody, if you okay, yeah. Hit us up right there, guys. Tell us what you need, man, and we'll get you.
Hi, X-Man.
Hi there, how you doing? You cool? ¿Cómo estás? Good to see you.
Hey, party back in the day, 1977. This is for you, son.
Here we go. Yeah.
All right, I'm here. How you doing, everybody? There you go.
Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Oh, X-Man.
Good to see you, bro. How's everything? Good to see you too. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Hey! What's up, Alex?
What's up, Javi? What's going on, baby?
How you doing, man? Good. How's everything? You doing well?
Good. Yeah, he's working around here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I have.
He's over here.
Well, she was born down in Tijuana. She's got a 64 as she was smoking money.
How you doing? ¿Cómo estás? You guys doing well? Can I put you in my video?
All right. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Again from City Car Club, and thank all the cars that came out tonight. Okay, now, before we start, little history. This band originally started in Azusa. It's over 50 years old, and we have the one and only, the legend, undeniable, Sammy Medina Bowens.
How are you? San Diego, are you ready to get funky? I said, are you ready to get funky? Let's go old school. Hey, fellas, how you doing?